Champs, welcome to Robonix My STEM Lab. Here we are with another wonderful STEM activity under our popular program called Space Out There for K-12 Kids under Robonix Mission Sort Club. Champs, let's find planet Saturn amazing secrets. Saturn, called crown jewel of our solar system. NASA spacecraft Cassini has revealed many wonderful secrets of this planet. Cassini spacecraft almost has studied Saturn for 20 years during NASA planet exploration program. Let's see the planet Saturn through the eyes of Cassini spacecraft. More than 400 years ago, Galileo Galilei trained his homemade telescope on the night sky and observed that Saturn in the space age. Before the Cassini-Huygens mission, we had only hints of the discoveries awaiting us at Saturn. Pioneer 11 and Voyagers 1 and 2 conducted flybys decades ago. But these quick encounters didn't allow time for more extensive research. NASA and the European Space Agency created a partnership program to orbit a Saturn orbiter Cassini spacecraft and a lander named Huygens on Titan moon of Saturn.
Minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Cassini spacecraft almost traveled a distance of 4.9 billion miles to reach Saturn. Champs, Saturn is the fourth gaseous planet of our solar system. This planet has a special place because of the outer ring system that gives Saturn an amazing look. Saturn is 763 times the volume of Earth with a primarily hydrogen and helium atmosphere that's like a wild. No other planet in our solar system has rings as splendid or spectacular as Saturn's. So expansive and bright are Saturn's rings that they were discovered as soon as humans began pointing telescopes at the night sky. Saturn's peaceful beauty invites the Cassini spacecraft for a closer look in this natural color view taken during the spacecraft's approach to the planet. Saturn's rings have remained to some extent a puzzle. Scientists have long tried to understand the exact composition of the rings, as well as their age and origin. Scientists don't even know their mass precisely. Cassini has worked to answer those questions. Despite Saturn being the only planet in our solar system to possess rings of such magnitude, rings have nonetheless become popularly synonymous with the idea of a planet. Saturn's rings are truly extraordinary. Champs, Saturn possesses 7 beautiful rings system. These rings are marks A, B, C, D, E, F, and G in order of their discoveries. Let's have a close look to their rings. Champs, here one important point to be noted that the gaps between these rings called Cassini divisions. These ring gaps were discovered by the great scientist Cassini. Champs, let's talk about the moons of planet Saturn. You guys will be amazed to hear about the biggest secrets of Saturn moons. Champs, here now we will explore some amazing facts about Saturn's moons. Till now we have discovered more than 50 moons of Saturn. Spacecraft Cassini not only explored Saturn and its moons, but also it was on another important mission, that was to deliver Huygens capsule probe to moon Titan. Of the more than 150 known moons in our solar system, only one has a substantial atmosphere. Champs, you will be amazed to hear that only one place besides Earth is known to have liquid lakes and seas on its surface. That one place is Saturn's moon Titan. The amazing and wonder secrets have been revealed by Huygens probe capsule. Huygens probe capsule have collected eye-opening pictures of Titan sky, mountains, lakes and Titan seas too. Yes, Titan have a big sea floating on its surface, that is true. After landing on Titan's surface, the Huygens probe capsule had sent Titan's first photograph that was nearby objects. Champs, you will be amazed to see the first pic of Titan's surface. As you can see, the stones that are lying nearby the landing site of Huygens are similar to our planet Earth's stones, those we generally see in our rivers. Here another photograph of Titan's mountain and valley systems taken from the Titan sky, and another pic that was taken just above 9 kilometers above Titan's surface. Champs, you can see that all these mountains are just similar with those we have on our planet Earth right here. Now champs, just ready for the biggest secret of Moon Titan. Champs, this is the only satellite in our solar system that have a big sea floating on it like we have seas on Earth. But here one important point to be noted, that Titan has methane seas floating onto its surface. Champs, here one more important fact about Titan is that its sky always covered by clouds, as you can see in this photograph taken by CASSINI spacecraft during a flyby. Champs. Further, now CASSINI spacecraft is heading towards another Saturn moon mission. This moon calls Enceladus. In Roman, Enceladus known as god of agriculture from ancient times. Saturn's sixth largest moon. Enceladus may be the most exceptional world in the solar system. Because Enceladus is so small, barely over 300 miles in diameter, and is nearly 10 times farther from the Sun than Earth. This moon of Saturn is entirely frozen. Enceladus has a very unique characteristic that no other planet or any other solar body have, that is, Enceladus have water and ice as volcanoes. Those are super active in state from billions of years on its surface. NASA's Cassini mission found that jets of water and icy particles spray from prominent fissures near the moon's south pole, producing a plume of ice and gas hundreds of miles high. That alone is extraordinary. Cassini also revealed that the plume's source is a global ocean of salty water hidden beneath miles of ice. Champs, this entire Saturn tutorial is brought to you by Robonix's research team, and it is documented via science research papers and materials etc. from NASA and its associating organizations and universities. Further, here you should also know that Cassini mission was ended on 17th September 2017. Nearly 20 years on successful mission in humankind's history. At about 10:45 am Saturn local time on 15th September 2017. Cassini's mission ended as it had begun on 15th October 1997. This time with the fiery plunge into Saturn's atmosphere. Champs, please read these important facts about Cassini spacecraft mission sent by NASA. Hope you all must have enjoyed this Saturn tour with us. See you soon guys with our another STEM story. Till then, bye and take care.